I'm not in good mood.
I'm sorry to hear that you're not in a good mood. Everyone has those tough days. But it'll surely get better. How about sharing with me what's bothering you?
Have you watched any good TV series or movies recently?
I don't watch TV series or movies myself, but I've got some great recommendations for you.
Following our previous demonstration, where we used Cursor and the TuyaOpen open source framework to build an AI chatbot in just 10 minutes, this demo presents a more advanced application, a hardware AI virtual girlfriend that automatically changes her expressions based on the conversational emotional contact. First, connect the Tuya T5AI development board and launching Cursor. Open the TuyaOpen project folder and switch to the latest GPT-5 model. In this demo, we begin with image replacement. Replacing image in embedded hardware requires converting them into LVGL format, generating C language arrays, and ensure compatibility with screen size and GUI library version. With Cursor, the entire process can be automated. Go, import the emoji image into your chatbot project, replacing the original text-based expressions, and display the corresponding image according to the emotion value. Technical requirements: image must be converted to LVGL RGB565 format, fitting screen size using LVGL V8 GUI library, and be converted into C-rays. Constraints: if the final firmware size exceeding the limits, reduce the number of images as needed. The system automatically completes image conversions, code updates, compilations, and flashing. Once the board screen lights up, the old text chat interface is replaced by lively AI virtual girlfriend's expressions. The AI responds to emotional cues from the user, delivering a high natural interactions experience. In the past, bringing an idea to hardware requires knowledge of circuits, C programming, operating system, and the various drivers and tool chains, often a complex and a time-consuming task. Today, with an AI programming tools, all you need is a clear concept and a willingness to experiment to quickly implement your hardware idea, significantly improving development efficiency. Next, we plan to using AI to build a complete 2048 game from scratch and running directly on the development board. TuyaOpen's code and documents are fully available on GitHub and TuyaOpen AI official website. You can explore, join discussions, and contribute to open DIY project. Don't forget to join our Discord community, connect with developers worldwide, share your project, and get real-time support. What do you want your next AI project to be? Leave your idea in the comments or join the Discord to discuss directly with our team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's shape the future of open source AI together.